My Nigeria people don't bring no book Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a story we say it just happened.
Now be small something during we say the first lady we be Senator Remi Tinubu go visit the nursing school where they for inside Asaba Delta State as the MC con dey sing it. Say now our mama na him be this. And so the nursing student they call reply am say now your mama na him be that too. This one conscious say Nigerians they not gonna get joy again because of the hardship and ogbonge bad things so they happen for inside Nigeria.
Now our mama be this so we no get another one.
Now your mama be this so.
Only Remi Tinubu.
Now your mama be this so.
After we Peter Obi come out to come yarn, say for inside 1999, say PDP lay foundation, and also some PDP people that can't even raise the foundation, go reach decking. Say but all progressive Congress government just come scatter everything, go grande. Now so the presidential aid will be by your nonoga doc on the one Peter Obi say make him mind the way we say in the Yampua anyhow in Yan this talk for inside Abuja on a Monday, March 24, 2025. For top this video where they see the former vice president of Nigeria will be Atiku Abubakar and Senator Ishaku Abo and Senator Aishatu Binani and other all progressive Congress members them as all of them come join body come home meeting to do collation for inside Yola Adamawa State. The operative of Lagos State Economic and Financial Crime Commission will be EFCC don't come catch two suspects. They will say they go abuse Naira and their names now Adeoti Folake and Adewunyi Modupe. Say because they arrest them after we say they see them, say that they sell money. Now on Friday, March 21st, 2025, and they arrest them. The FCT Ekalaba Police Command don't come arrest one man wey saying work now to the carry bullet they go they deliver they give some omila bad people them and for inside gallon of red oil. Now him pack all the bullets that they put inside and the name of the man now Nuhu Aminu 32 years old from Katsina State. Now on Monday will be March 24, 2025 and they catch him. The Nigerian Labour Congress don't talk say they go provoke to take action to stop national economy activities them if the state of emergency wey Tinubu declare for inside Rivers State if he not reverse them or change them with immediate effect. The People Democratic Party former presidential candidate will be Atiku Abubakar don't come out to come fire bad man to take give the Senate president will be Akpabio as in come talk say Akpabio saying they very corrupt and not be only corrupt to 9 days saying also they harass women there.
Akpabio was a governor, he was corrupt.
He was corrupt. Not only he was corrupt, but he was also in the habit of abusing, women.
The Senate president will be Akpabio don't come through a face upon all the cry when Nigerians they cry and they suffer with the face. Now so come out to come the hail President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Say as he remove subsidy, say today now say things don't they go well. Say see as the economy don't they float well and all in reforms they work very well and every non-oil sectors them they also they work very well. As he called the hail President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for in good work when they do.
And subsidy is gone. And today we are able to float the economy with income coming from the non-oil sector. And so your reforms are working. So when you came...
Justice Obiara Egwatu or the Federal High Court waiting for inside Abuja don't come out in hand from the case wey be say Senator Natasha Akpoti be filing and now on Tuesday we March 25, 2025 where they supposed to judge this case. Now Justice Obiara come out to come talk say in don comot handle for on top that case. Plenty youth of Delta State don't come out to come do inaugural protest as the come bus enter inside street to come carry the 30 days rant challenge to enter inside street to come they talk or say make President Bola Ahmed Tinubu make him leave Nigeria as them alone say because in they press Nigeria as a neck as they come they talk say make him resign come out say because the youth of Nigeria as them don't tire for him.
Everybody don't tire for you. Independence, as you resign.
Senator Nwebonyi Onyekachi and the former Minister of Education will be Obieze Kwesili Dokon de Gegbege as Senator Onyekachi come out come dey talk say wetin provoke can be say former minister will be Obieze Kwesili tell am say make him shut up and make him sit down. He say na so himself come even provoke come dey tell am say Obieze Kwesili na insult to womanhood. Say na wetin cause kasala between two of them. After with the Super Eagles draw 1-1 with the Zimbabwe team for on top the World Cup qualifying match, Na so Victor Osimhen you come dey provoke for im teammate dem say because dem no try at all to defend the 1-goal lead wey Super Eagles bin dey lead the Zimbabwe team before dem come equalize.
Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy una day.